All right, we have a real world problem here. So your parents invest $10,000 in a college fund on the day you were born. Every year they add $2,000, and the fund also earns 8% interest compounded annually. So how much will there be when you turn 18? Well, let's look at this systematically. So starting when you're born, I'm going to call that U sub 0. They put in $10,000. And then on your first birthday, that $10,000 will have earned its 8% interest, and they add $2,000. For your second birthday, all of this will earn 8% interest. So I'll have U1 times 1.08, plus they add another $2,000. So multiplying this out, so I'm going to multiply all of this by the 1.08. So I would get 10,000 times 1.08 squared plus 2,000 times 1.08. So that's multiplying all of this by 1.08 plus 2,000. Let's look at the third year. So in the third year, the second year's value gets its interest, and we add another 2,000. So we're going to have 10,000 times 1.08 cubed plus 2,000 times 1.08 squared, multiplying all of this by 1.08, 2,000 times 1.08 plus this 2,000. All right, so if we continue down until your 18th birthday, well, we know that's going to be U17 times 1.08 plus 2,000. Well, following this pattern, that means I'm going to have 10,000 times 1.08 to the 18th power. So this original 10,000 will earn interest 18 times over the years. And then here, I'm going to end up with, notice that this is a power of 2 and this was the power of 3. I had the power of 1 and a number 2. So I'm going to end up with 2,000 times 1.08 to the 17. So this first 2,000 only earns interest 17 times. 2,000 times 1.08 to the 16, down to 2,000. So this part is a geometric series, and I've got a first term of 2,000. I've got an R value of 1.08, and my N value is going to be 18. So there's 18 terms here because I add the 2,018 times total. So I can write my formula for the geometric series. So let's shrink this down a little bit. All right, so I know that this sum is going to end up being U1 times 1.08 to the 18th power minus 1, divide by 1.08 minus 1, plus this 10,000 times 1.08 to the 18. All right, let's see how much money your parents will have saved. We've got 10,000 times 1.08. Let's make that the correct value. Raised to the 18th power plus 2,000 times 1.08 raised to the 18th minus 1, divide by 0.08. So I just did the subtraction, the 1.08 minus 1, work that out, and you've got a fair amount of money for college. Hopefully it's enough.